can't wish for anything better in life because I already have Lucas. It's been really a great year and looking forward to be spending each day of our lives with you. I just wish for one thing, that you grow up to be very, very good in that as a singer, and I am there with you each passing day. So, that's it. I love you, baby.
So, palakpakan natin si Mommy for that very nice wish for baby. How about Daddy? What is your wish for your beloved son?
All of the things that we'd like to wish for. The feeling of having to thank God for how Lucas has become. Because if you were to think about it, roughly a year ago, he came out and it was just 3 pounds. Look at him now. So I'd like to thank God and how he grew up, how he turned out. So I guess that's it.